How to post blog on HubSpot. So first, go to your homepage. Next is just click on the content section here on the left. Then just click on blog. Okay, now you can either start with AI or start from scratch. So for this example, I'll choose the start with AI option and just click on it. Okay, now let's see. It says that describe what your blog post is about. So let's say just type in what your blog post is about. Let's say about marketing. So type in anything, any blog topic or idea. So next is click on this one, select title here at the bottom. Okay, now select a blog post title. So choose any one of you here. So if you don't want any of the titles here, just click on show more titles. So I'll just choose this one. Now click on review outline. Okay, now review blog post on outline. So check if any of this here is fine with you. If you want to add talking points, click here, and if you want to add paragraph header, click here. So if all of it is done, you're fine with this, just click on generate blog post, and let's let AI do its thing. So let's wait for it to load. Okay, now it's done. Okay, so you can see, now what you need to do is just click on save and just publish it, and that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.